Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this great sofa bed. It's perfect for small spaces like an apartment or a dorm room. This is what we're going to be putting together. The bottom pulls out. So let's get it all together and then see what it looks like. Step one, you are going to attach this with 2 screws to the back of the couch. Next, you are going to screw the feet in. You don't need any tools. They just screw right in with your hand. Then you have 4 wheels. They screw right into the base, so put all 4 of those in. This is a leg that can pop down. So you're going to squeeze the side and then the leg goes down. So when the chair is in the upright position, this will be in this position. And then when you're using it as a bed, you are going to pop the leg open just like this. And then that holds up. Okay, this next part is a little bit tricky. I needed some help with this. So this is what the armrest looks like. It's kind of collapsed like this. You need to separate it out and then push down on the middle. This is a piece of wood right here that then goes down and separates it out, and then it'll look like this. Okay, next we're gonna take the sides, and you can see they have these metal pieces, and then you are gonna match them up with the metal pieces on the bottom, and then these just slide on, and I'll show you that once I get it on. Okay, this is how it slides on, just like that. Okay, now you're going to take the back and you're gonna take this and put it right there, and then same thing on the other side. Once you have the back on, it attaches with Velcro right here, and there is Velcro on the back to attach the bottom as well. All of the pillows come vacuum sealed, so you're going to cut these open. And there's Velcro on the side, and we are going to take off the protector so that the Velcro stays nice and clean and extra sticky. And we are going to put the Velcro on one side and then zip it on the other. Open up the pillows according to the letters and place them on the chair. I'm gonna put the base cushion on first, and it has Velcro to put it in place. Put the pillow on there, make sure the handles are out so you can grab it to pull it out and make it into a bed. Then you're going to lift up the front of the chair to slide the base under, and that is so that it can catch on the little ledge on the inside so you don't pull it out too far. Okay, you're gonna take the USB, plug it into your wall, and now you have charging at your hand right here. You can plug everything in. How amazing is that? Okay, I'm just loving this modern, cute, adorable sofa. It's so functional with that bed option, and the backrest is adjustable so you can sit straight up, or you can have it in different positions to make you as comfortable as possible. You can do it from 105 degrees, like if you're watching TV, 138 degrees if you're reading books, or 180 degrees flat if you are taking a nap. Let me show you that, and don't forget that the bottom pulls out and this becomes a full bed. This has excellent weight capacity. It holds up to 500 pounds, and the cushion is high density foam, and so it is very supportive, but yet also very soft at the same time. The fabric is this sort of chenille / corduroy. It feels high end. You have 2 pockets on each side, and you can hold your remotes in there, your books, and then don't forget to put your phone there because you have the charging ports. So easy to put away. It just rolls under, and then the backrest pulls right up, and then you can see here that I am adjusting it to the second, and then I will put it up to the highest level. The frame material is engineered wood and metal. The seat depth is 22.5 0.63 inches, and the seat height is 17.91. Absolutely loving this. Peppa is loving it too. This would be so great in your home in so many places, in a small space, maybe in a TV room where you need extra seating, in a bedroom, great for dorms and apartments. Absolutely loving this one. Check it out. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I know you're going to love it as much as we do.